So I've got good news for Black students who wish to study in the University of Cambridge. And that good news is Stormzy Scholarship. Now, Stormzy Scholarship is a scholarship that supports Black students to study in the University of Cambridge. In this video, I will tell you the perks, application timeline, the eligibility criteria, the amount you'll be offered, and everything you need to know. So if you are a Black student and you wish to study in the University of Cambridge, watch till the end of this video and I will tell you everything you need to know about studying in the University of Cambridge free of charge. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinemerem, and if you are stopping by for the very first time, hello, you are most welcome. I believe by now you must be liking what you're seeing. If yes, please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you all. So like I said already, this video I'll be telling you guys everything about the Stormzy Scholarship. So first of all, let me give you a little background story about University of Cambridge. Not a story anyway, but if you've watched my previous videos, I talked about schools you should apply to and why you should apply to them. And I also talked about schools you should not apply to as a Black student or as an international student. And I also gave you reasons why you shouldn't apply to them. And one of the universities I said you shouldn't apply to is the University of Cambridge. And that's because of the tuition fee. As an international student, studying in the University of Cambridge is not easy financially, except your pocket is quite large. The University of Cambridge is definitely not cheap, and that's why I said if you can avoid it, you should avoid it. But if you have the money, why not go for it? However, they are ranked really well and really high on the university ranking. So that's the main thing about it. They've made the name, but the tuition fee is still high. Now, this Stormzy Scholarship is good news because it's going to help those that can't afford the tuition fee to attend University of Cambridge, especially as Black students, because in the University of Cambridge they don't have so much Black students. Now this scholarship will make up that bridge for Black students in the University of Cambridge. Stormzy Scholarship started in 2018, and when they started, they were only supporting 2 Black students every year. So it was only about 2 Black students every year until year 2021, when the scholarship was expanded, and now it is supporting 13 Black students to study in the University of Cambridge. Out of the 13 scholarships, 10 is funded by HSBC UK, 2 is funded by Stormzy, and 1 is funded by an anonymous individual. The scholarships are not repayable. That means you don't have to pay them back anytime. Once you get a scholarship, it is yours and yours forever. Unlike loan, where you have to pay back. It will cover the full tuition fee and your maintenance grant. So for the awardees of this scholarship, you'll be offered £20,000 a year for up to 4 years of your program, and that is £80,000 for 4 years. However, the recipients of this scholarship will not be eligible for a Cambridge bursary. In 2020 alone, 137 Black students arrived to study in the University of Cambridge, and they said that is the highest number they've gotten of Black students coming to study in the University of Cambridge, all thanks to Stormzy Scholarship. However, they feel they still have more work to do just to support Black students to study in the University of Cambridge. Eligibility criteria for Stormzy Scholarship. The first criteria is you must have one of the following categories of ethnicity. 1, you must be a Black African or a Black Caribbean or any other Black background. Also, you may be eligible for this scholarship if you are from a mixed race, mixed white and Black African or mixed white and Black Caribbean. Second criteria is that you must have confirmed a place to start your program in October 2022. So if you haven't confirmed a place yet, let's say you haven't applied at the moment, I think it's a bit too late to apply now. So you may want to check out for 2023 for this scholarship, as that's when you'll be eligible to apply. If you have a place in the University of Cambridge already for 2022 entry, get ready to apply for this scholarship this month. The third criteria is that you must be a UK student and your fee status should be classified as home. So that means this scholarship is only for home students. That's if you are a Black student but you have your ILR, or you have parents who have the British citizenship or so, there's some criteria that will classify you as home student. So if you are in the UK already and you are classified as home student, then you are eligible for this scholarship. And of course, if you don't know your your fee status, it should be stated on your offer letter. However, if you are in doubt or you are not sure of your fee status, then you should contact the University of Cambridge and they will advise you appropriately. Finally, this scholarship means that it is not for international students. It is only for Black students in the UK and that have their fee status as home. So if your fee status is still saying international, then this scholarship, you are not eligible for this scholarship. If you are eligible, then get ready to apply. The scholarship will start August 2022. However, the dates have not been made available. Once the date is available, I will also bring an update on that for you guys so you can start applying. Now, for international students, I know you are waiting for your opportunity. Yes, there is a scholarship available for international students, and that's called the Chevening Scholarship. I have an update on that on my Instagram page. So if you are not following me on Instagram yet, I think this is the time to follow me on Instagram, as I put out updates on my Instagram page about the Chevening Scholarship and about, so many other scholarships in the UK. So if you are not following me yet, kindly follow me on Instagram. My handle is in the description and to also be on the screen somewhere. So the Chevening Scholarship supports you as an international student, and Chevening Scholarship is also similar to the Stormzy Scholarship because they pay your tuition fee and you don't have to pay back. They also pay your maintenance fee. You don't have to pay any of this back to them. So yes, I am putting all that together and I'll put out a video on that, on how to apply for your Chevening Scholarship. You may want to subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell so that when I post this update on Chevening Scholarship, you will be notified. And of course, you need to apply as early as you can. Like I said before, one of the secrets of Chevening Scholarship is applying on time. It will give you ample time to do what you need to do. Please kindly share this video to, students, Black students in the UK, parents in the UK who have students that are up to the university age, and so many other people it will be helpful to. And it is a win for Black students. Yeah, it is a big win for Black students. So please kindly share this video so that so many people can benefit from it and also apply for this scholarship. At least 13 Black students in a year, and with time it may be increased. That's huge. I will leave the link in the description just in case you want to read more about the scholarship or you want to know more about when the application window will open. I will leave the link in the description. And that's that about this video. I hope it was helpful. Like I said before, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And until I see you again in my next video, do take care, stay safe, and bye.